Hello everyone, welcome back onto this channel, and in this video I will let to show you the way how you can edit the view only format of documents on a Google Docs or Google Sheet or any Google products. So here I will let to show you with the Google Sheet application. So you just need to open the Google Sheet application, and the next is just go open the documents that is in a view only. That could be shown here the information about the format of the files, and if you cannot find those, just tap into this three small dot and the information of the format could be in the bottom side of the titles. Now if you want to edit this, you can just ask or request the editing access by click into this three small dot, and it could be information shown here, request edit access. So you just need to tap it, and the application will send for the request into the file's owner, and then you just need to wait until it's got accepted by the owners, and then you can start editing your files. But there could be another way the way you can edit it. Just tap into this three small dot, and you can just go click share and export, and make sure you go click this make a copy. Then the application will copy everything, every sheets on every page, and then you will got this new. And now you just need to go click into specific cells that you want to edit, and there could be an editing access right here, and then you can just go edit the cells with your information. And now you're done. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoyed this, and let's meet again into other tutorial.